Even with a healthy diet, hidden everyday exposures at home can increase cancer risk over time. Here are some of the most common cancer-linked household products and sources. Household and cleaning products like air fresheners, candles, and incense can release formaldehyde, benzene, and other carcinogenic volatile organic compounds. Cleaning sprays and disinfectants, well, many of these contain ammonia, chlorine, or quaternary ammonium compounds, which are linked to respiratory and cancer risks with long exposure. Dry cleaned clothes can also be a concern, since they may carry residues of 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲, which is considered a probable human carcinogen. Personal care products are another area to watch. Some shampoos, soaps, and lotions may contain parabens, phthalates, and formaldehyde-releasing preservatives. Hair dyes and nail polish often have benzene, toluene, or other carcinogens. Sunscreens with 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲 are linked to hormone disruption, though of course sun protection is still crucial. Moving on to furniture and home materials, old non-stick cookware like Teflon or PFAS, when overheated, releases carcinogenic fumes. Plastic containers and bottles, especially when heated in the microwave or left in the hot sun, can leach BPA and phthalates. Furniture with flame retardants, such as chemicals like PBDEs, may disrupt hormones and raise cancer risk. And finally, pressed wood, particle board, and insulation can emit formaldehyde. So, let's talk about indoor pollutants for a moment. Tobacco smoke, even secondhand, is honestly one of the strongest home carcinogens out there. Then there's radon gas, which naturally seeps from the ground into basements. It's actually the second leading cause of lung cancer after smoking. Mold is another concern, as some molds produce mycotoxins that have been linked to increased cancer risk. Now, when it comes to cooking, burnt or charred food can produce acrylamide and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs for short, both of which are considered carcinogenic. And, cooking oils heated to high temperatures can release fumes that are also a potential risk. Alright, so what can you do to reduce these risks in your everyday life? Well, first, ventilate your home. Open up those windows or use fans when you can. Try using natural cleaning products like vinegar, baking soda, or unscented soaps. When storing food, opt for glass or steel containers instead of plastic. It's a good idea to test your home for radon too, and, of course, avoid smoking indoors, or better yet, avoid smoking altogether. Finally, choose personal care products that are fragrance-free and paraben-free whenever possible. Now here's a practical safer swaps checklist you can use at home to lower those hidden cancer risks. For your home and cleaning routines, try to avoid air fresheners, scented candles, and incense. Instead, open the windows, use an essential oil diffuser, or bring in houseplants like peace lilies or snake plants to help with air quality. Swap out harsh cleaning sprays with chlorine, ammonia, or strong perfumes for simple vinegar and baking soda solutions. Castile soap or unscented eco-friendly cleaners. If you have clothes that are dry cleaned, which can contain chemicals like 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲, ask for wet cleaning or eco-cleaning, or at least air them outside before wearing. When it comes to personal care, steer clear of shampoos, soaps, and lotions with parabens, phthalates, or anything just labeled fragrance. Choose natural or organic brands that are clearly labeled paraben-free, fragrance-free, and phthalate-free. For hair dyes, avoid those with ammonia or benzene, and for nail polish, skip ones with toluene or formaldehyde. Instead, go for plant-based hair dyes like henna or indigo, and use water-based or 3-free or 5-free nail polishes. And for sun protection, avoid sunscreens with 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲. Mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide are a much safer bet. Looking at your kitchen and household items, ditch old non-stick cookware like Teflon or anything with PFAS. Go for stainless steel cast iron or ceramic-coated pans instead. Avoid plastic food containers and bottles, especially if you heat them, and use glass, stainless steel, or silicone containers. For furniture, skip those with flame retardants or pressed wood containing formaldehyde. Solid wood furniture or certified low VOC or Green Guard products are much better choices. For your indoor environment, definitely avoid smoking indoors. Aim for a 100% smoke-free home. Don't forget to check for radon exposure, especially in basements. Use a radon test kit and make sure you have proper ventilation if levels are high. And if you spot mold in damp spaces, use a dehumidifier and ventilate well. Clean with vinegar or hydrogen peroxide, not just bleach. And finally, in the kitchen, try not to eat burnt or charred meat or overcooked food. Baking, steaming, Slow cooking or sautéing are all great alternatives to grilling at very high heat. Also, don't reuse cooking oil at high temperatures. Always use fresh, stable oils like olive, avocado or coconut, and avoid overheating them. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.